In today's episode, guys, we have another Wantable subscription box, but today it's a fitness edit. And guys, we're gonna get started right now. Hi guys, Cindy is supposedly chic, and today, guys, we are doing the Wantable fitness edit box. Last month we did a Wantables fashion edit box. It was our first time doing Wantable, and we had a really good time with it. While I was sort of investigating, researching, doing all that good stuff, I saw that in addition to a fashion edit, they also had a fitness edit where they would send you fitness products, and I thought, why not? I'm going to be honest with you guys, I don't spend a whole lot of time thinking about what I'm going to wear to the gym or to Pilates. I tend to like buy my tops and sort of my leggings and stuff on clearance at like Kohl's or somewhere. I don't put a whole lot of time to them, and I think part of that is a little bit of a negative, because I think that, like anything, you want the right tools for the right job, and that is sort of what Wantable appears to have done. Is we have some kind of cool pieces in here that actually have some sort of anti-wicking, the way the seams are and stuff, so we're going to talk a little bit about that. But I thought, why not get a fitness edit and see what we get? So guys, we received, I think there's 6 items in here. There's 7 items in here. We got 3 pairs of leggings. We got a sports bra, a tank, and then we got 2 sort of over, like sweatshirt overshirts. So I'm just going to break through the box right now. I don't have my fancy rack because, come on guys, we don't hang up our workup gear, do we? No. So we're going to start with the sports bra, which is a Halle mesh panel bra in heather gray. I'm not certain that I would wear this alone, but it does look very comfortable and cool for when I am working out. It's got the, I'm going to turn this upside down because it's easier to hold. It's got the T back there. And it's got the, it looks like the inserts for the front, I guess I'll call it. So we'll see how that looks. Again, I will not wear it without a top over it, but it does look like a nice sort of active bra without being really bulky. So that's our first item. Our second item is from Shape Active, and it's an essential tank white. It has sort of the pleated back, and it is the anti-wicking. It's just quite honestly a really simple white tank top, but that's kind of what I look for when I go to the gym. I don't like to really stand out. I like to go in, get my stuff done, and get out. So we're going to try that guy on in just a second, probably with that little sports bra. Guys, I'm kind of intrigued by this open back sweater by Good Human. It is like a natural sort of a heather gray. That's what the front looks like. The back sort of has the open back. And quite honestly, I'm not sure what fitness advantage this has. I really think it's just kind of a cute thing to wear to the gym, but it's very soft and it's not real heavy. So we will see how that looks with some of the leggings and the sports bra in just a second. The next item is a Day Off hoodie by Alternate Apparel. The one thing I'm not really a big fan of this one is it's a pullover. It might not be a big deal, I guess, when I got my hair up in a ponytail and that kind of thing, but for me, if I'm going to do a hoodie, I kind of like the zipper on it. But no pockets. It's got the rolled hem, so it just kind of looks like kind of cool and beefy. And I really do dig the color. So that would be obviously not so much to work out in, but for before and after when you head to the gym at 5 o'clock in the morning like I do. Now guys, we get to talk about leggings. And I'm going to be honest with you that I'm a little surprised at the price point on some of these leggings. So we're going to have to sort of dig in and see what the fitness advantages are that would justify spending the amount of money they want us to spend for these leggings. The first one is quite honestly one of my really favorites. These are the Infinity leggings in charcoal by Free People Movement. Guys, look at this, and you'll see it more when I put them on, but look at the detail on the sides. I really like that. They're sort of normal charcoal gray, and they go, looks like about capri style, capri length. Then we have just standard black crop capris from Shape Active. These guys they feel like Spanx, you guys. That's what they feel like. Hear it? Hear that? So I am not sure, because while I like to look good at the gym, dude, I have to be comfortable, because I'm doing a lot of stuff that I would really rather be sleeping in bed and not doing. So I need to be comfortable and happy when I'm doing it, and I'm not sure if these are it, but we will check it out. And our next pair of leggings, guys, are really cool. They're the 7/8 legging in Obsidian Quarry, I think is how we say. Wear it to heart. And I really like this pattern. If I'm going to do a little patterning, pattern matching, pattern mixing at the gym, it's going to be probably on my leggings and not so much on the top. But you guys see it, it's just kind of really cool. It's almost like a galaxy sort of design. So again, 3 pairs of leggings, one sports bra, one active tank, and then 2 outerwear items. So kind of easy. They're all sort of the same color scheme, so it doesn't matter what I put with what. But we're going to take a look and see these items, take a look at the prices, and see if, quite honestly, if we're talking about just going to the gym and sweating it out, if all of these items with these price points are necessarily required. Okay guys, so outfit number 1, head to toe minus the shoes. We have the Wear It to Heart 7/8 leggings, we have the Shape Active white tank, and we have the Chi Chi Active mesh sports bra. See what I was talking about the pattern on these leggings? Aren't they phenomenal? This white tank is pretty simple, but again, like I mentioned, that's kind of what I'm looking for. If you see, I'm going to just put a little inset of what I normally like when I'm working out. It's pretty casual. Those leggings that I'm wearing are my absolute favorites that I wear probably far too often. So I am definitely in the market for a couple different pairs of leggings. The waist on these is a little bit big, which I'm not sure if I'm thrilled about. The white tank, you see, it does have that sort of pleat in the back. There's a total range of movement and comfortable. And yeah, I like this. Okay, so our second pair of leggings is Free People Movement Infinity leggings. They're the ones I told you had the cutouts here. They are actually more comfortable than the first pair. And they are very similar to what I'm used to wearing. A little bit more movable fabric perhaps. But yeah, I kind of like that whole cutout on the side. I think it adds a little bit, for me, a little bit of fun to my workout outfit. I think it's time for leggings number 3. Here's leggings number 3. These are Shape Active High Rise Capri, and they are definitely capri. I mentioned in the unboxing that they sort of felt like Spanx, and to be honest, a little bit it felt like Spanx putting them on, or at least pantyhose. I am usually half asleep just trying to get a little bit of coffee before I go. I don't know if I want to fight that hard with leggings. They are pretty basic, just black leggings, so nothing too terribly exciting about these. I think out of those 3 pairs of leggings, I kind of like the Infinity cutout ones the best, although the Obsidian pattern is kind of cool, so we'll look at prices on those in just a second. Let's look at the 2 pieces of outerwear that we have to go along with this. So this is the Good Human Jules open back. They call it a sweater. It's kind of heavy, guys. It does sort of, I mean, obviously it's a sweatshirt, not a sweater, but not certain if I'm liking this or not. It feels sort of tight here. If you can see kind of how the arms hang low. I don't really quite understand that part unless I'm wearing it wrong. Maybe I'm supposed to wear it higher. I don't know. That's the back, though. I think the back is kind of fun. But again, I'm at the gym to sort of, get stuff done. So, I think if it didn't have this weird arm thing going on right here, I might keep it. But I'm just trying to think of as I'm lifting, if that's supposed to be a feature. Because if you look right there, it seems like it sort of tightens up, but then back down here it bunches up again. So, yeah, I thought this would be kind of really cute, sort of like hanging down thing, and it's just not really working for me. But I guess you can kind of see what the mesh bra looks like through it, right? All right, so let's take a look at the maroon, what they call afterwear, and then guys, we'll do our little wrap up. All right, final piece, guys, to look through. They actually call this day off, not afterwear. I wouldn't wear it on my day off, but I actually might wear it over my tank before I go to work out. Interesting though, this has the same sort of arm thing, so perhaps it's not me, perhaps that's like the function for the fitness wear, but it has a hoodie. Again, it doesn't have a zipper, it's a pullover, but that's not necessarily a bad thing, I think, because if you're going to take this off while you're at the gym and maybe wrap it around your waist, it might make more sense if it's all one piece and not a zipper. But guys, so here is our final piece, which again is the day off hoodie. I like the color. I like the fact that it kind of looks like one of those old sort of sweatshirts. I kind of feel like Rocky right now. So guys, give me 1 second and we will do a wrap up on our Wantable Fitness edit. All right, guys, so this almost concludes our first Wantable Fitness edit. And in so many ways, it's different than any of the other unboxings that we've done. Because quite honestly, you could just go to the gym in like baggy sweatpants and a t-shirt, right? Still gets the job done. But if you can have sort of the right outfit for the right job, right? You want to, for me at least, in some of the things that I do when I work out, I do need like definite range of motion. I need stuff that it doesn't, that sort of wicks away the sweat, etc. So all of these work for that, but I'm not gonna lie to you, when I saw some of the prices on these items, I did sort of hyperventilate a little bit. If we were to keep everything that was in this box, I would be paying $387. That's just a little extreme for me. So let's talk about what makes sense to keep from a functionality standpoint and a financial standpoint. Okay, so our first item is this Shape high-rise capris. These guys are $59. And again, these are the ones I said felt a little bit like Spanx. And they're just quite simply a black pair of workout leggings. Not for me, worth $59. The second item is the Chi Chi Active Mesh Panel Bra. This is $60. And guys, to be honest, a good sports bra for women, $60 is not a bad price to pay. I normally like sports bras that actually sort of fasten in the front. You don't have to kind of pull over your shoulders or pull over your head, I guess. But this one wasn't bad. And again, it's got the mesh on the top. It's got the mesh in the back. This one I believe I am going to keep. Especially if you take care of them well, your sports bras can last for a really long time. So this guy is going to be a keeper. We'll keep him right here so we can kind of keep track of that. The next item is the Good Human Open Back. We didn't really like the fit of it. I didn't like what was going on here with the arm area. And this guy is $64. So that, again, for a shirt that I like to wear as little as possible when I'm working out, if that makes sense. Like I want a tank top, I want some capri leggings, and I want my tennies, and that's pretty much it. Well, I thought this was cute when I saw it. It doesn't really fit with my workout regimen, and I just didn't like the fit of it. The next item is the Day Off Plum Hoodie. This guy is, again, from Alternative Apparel, and it is $58. I like it. I don't know if I like it worth $58. Maybe. We're going to put this on this leg because that's the maybe pile. This white tank from Shape is definitely, for me, a keeper. I really like how it felt. I like that white is about as simplistic as it gets. And this little bad boy was not bad. It was $44. So that guy, along with this little bralette here, is going to be kind of my go-to, I think, for a while. So we'll put that on that leg. Now, all we have left are the pair of leggings. I like them both, guys. I really do. But let's talk pricing. The Infinity leggings, they have the cutouts on the side. Loved everything about them. Loved the fit. Loved the cute little cutouts. These bad boys are... Oh, you guys ready? $88 for a pair of leggings. $88. The Infinity... No, I'm sorry. These are the Obsidian 7/8 leggings. Again, also love the fit, love the style. $82. What do I do with that, guys? What do I do with that? I like them both. But that's like $170 for two pairs of leggings. I think I'm going to get this pair for sure. And I'm going to think really hard about this pair because I do really like them. And I do work out a lot. Maybe what I'll do is I'll do a little bit of price shopping online, see if I can find something similar for a little bit less money and see if that makes sense. But guys, in addition to all of this stuff, they have shoes, they have socks. I kind of think they even have like little hair thingies. And that for me, you can see I've got all these bangs right here. I have to pull my hair back like, I don't know, like a food worker when I work out. So those would be really helpful to me. So guys, this was a really fun, unique, and different unboxing for us. And I'm not gonna lie, I was a little surprised at what some of these items cost. We will continue to take a look at the fitness edit and see if we can sort of drill down those prices a little bit and see what we do get. I kind of think we'll probably do the fitness edit like once a quarter. That kind of makes sense because after a while your workout gear does indeed wear out. So let me know if you guys have done this fitness edit or if there's another company that does fitness. I know there's, gosh darn it, Kate Hudson's brand. I can't think of what it's called right now. Fabletics, I think. But I don't necessarily think that's a box. I think you just buy from them. So if there's another subscription box, please let me know because we would love to check it out. Also, guys, if you have not already, hit that subscribe button for me now. It will allow you to not miss any of our content. And I bet you 2 weeks ago you didn't know we were going to do a fitness edit. You know why? Because 2 weeks ago I did not know we were going to do a fitness edit. So stuff is always changing. Here at Supposedly Chic, we are trying our hardest to create content that is valuable and informative to our community. So the best way for me to know that's happening is for your feedback. Like this episode, share this episode, comment on this episode. Let me know what you think about the unboxings we're doing now, if there's any ways you think we could improve them, if there's any other companies or subscriptions you'd like us to try. What did you think? Do you use any of these brands of fitness products, and what do you think about them? Guys, the community is so awesome, and it's allowing our channel to grow, which is really kind of a cool thing. I love doing this, and I love hanging out with you guys, and so the more I can do this and the more you guys communicate with me, the more better it is. But guys, quite honestly, having a blast doing this. Let me know what we can do to make it better, and what you like about it. And guys, until next time, this is Cindy of Supposedly Chic, and make it a good one.